Hello, a very warm welcome to my students here. I hope everybody is safe and sound, keeping healthy and studying as well. I am taking math in grade 3. In the previous class, we have started Roman numerals, okay? And I have explained the table of this also. Once again, I am revising it. What is Roman numerals? Okay? So, this is the Roman numerals and this is the Hindu Arabic numerals. So, this is the table. This will call as 1. This 5 and this is 10. L is called as 50, C is 100, D is 500 and M is 1000. Okay, what is M? M is 1000. So now note that there is no 0 in the Roman system. Understood? There is no 0 in the Roman system. This system does not use place value to write the numbers. Instead, the numbers are obtained by the following certain rules. Okay, these are the rules. What are the rules? Rule 1. Repetition of a numeral means addition. Okay, suppose you are getting one after another same numerals, so we have to do the addition. However, a numeral cannot be repeated more than 3 times. Okay, so note this 5, 50, L means 50, 5, this is the symbol of 5 and this is 500 cannot be repeated. Okay, which cannot be repeated? This 5, L and D. This 3 cannot be repeated. This cannot be repeated. Understood? Cannot be repeated. Okay, this cannot be repeated. For example, okay, so what is the example they have given here? 1, 1, 1. Okay, so how we have to do addition for this? 1 plus 1 plus 1. What it will become? It will become 3. Okay, so this is, what is the Hindu Arabic for this? 3. So this is 3, no? So this is 3. 1 plus 1 plus 1. How much? 3. Understood? One more. This 1 and 1. What is this? What is the symbol for this? 10. So 10 plus 10. How much? 20. Okay. So like this. What is the rule 2? If a symbol with a smaller value is written before a symbol having greater value, then we subtract the value of the first symbol from the value of the second symbol. Okay, suppose, so this is the right side and this is the left side. Okay, if right side is greater than left side, we have to do subtraction. What is the symbol of this? This is 5 and this is 1. Okay, so we cannot do like this, no. So what we have to do here? What we have to do? 5 minus 1. So what is the symbol of this? What is the Roman numeral? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, these are first 10 Roman numerals. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So this is the which one? This is what we write in Hindu Arabic? 4. So 5 minus 1, how much? 4. Okay, correct or not? Yes. Understood? So like this you have to solve. How we are doing? Because the right side is greater than left side, so we are subtracting. If you do like this, this is the wrong way. You have to do like this. This is the correct way. Understood? What is the rule 3? If a symbol with a smaller value is written after a symbol having a greater value, then we add the value of the first symbol to the value of the second symbol. Okay? This is the rule 3. What is the rule 3? What the symbol they have given here? 5 and 1. Okay? If the first symbol is greater than the second symbol, what we have to do? We have to do the addition. Okay, so what is this? This is 5 and this is 1. 5 plus 1, 6. One more. 10, this is, and this is 1. So how we are writing? This is 10 plus 1. So how much? 11. Okay, first symbol is greater than the second symbol. So we have to do addition. Okay, understood? Rule 3. We have to do addition if first symbol is greater than the second symbol. What is rule 4? For expressing numbers greater than 10, the numbers are first split terms of the tens and ones. Yes or not? Yes. This is rule 4. What is the rule 4 here? What they have given here? 12. So we have to split this number. How can split? 10 plus 2 how much? 12. Okay. So you have to split like this. Okay. So 10 plus 2, 12. So how you have to write again? 10 plus 1 plus 1. So it will become 12. So 10, 1, 1. So this is the Roman numeral for 12. Understood? Yes. So in the next class, I am going to start a new exercise, that is exercise 1.9. I hope you understood the basic concept of this. Thank you.